Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I apologise for going a few minutes late this morning, in fact 8 minutes late. I did advertise it would be 15 minutes late, so we managed to get that down quite a bit. But I had some updates today to do and some research on today's show that took extra time. So I want all the information I get for you to be accurate, verified, and all the updates in place. So that's why we are 8 minutes behind, but we are 8 minutes ahead of pre-advertised time as well, so that's kind of good. Anyway, we're ready to go. Welcome everybody who was here during the build-up. Let me see who was here. If you've never joined us before, my name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm in my studio up to 12 hours a day, bringing you breaking news all the time, live, my real trades, my real money. This is all of my real money, all of it on show for you, every single penny. And we are investors in a whole array of stocks, but we do focus on long-term investing, but we also scalp trade and swing trade. But essentially, I'm a long-term investor looking for great companies at great prices, and my aim is to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. That's the purpose of this, the best, most accurate, most reliable, trusted source. That is my aim. That's what I try to do. Okay, as you can see, we're just 80 days now away from 1 million views. We're still on track, and by December we should have 10,000 subscribers. We are growing incredibly quickly, and 95% of our live viewers are members, which is absolutely wonderful. All right, let's get straight into it. I want to share with you a few exciting news, a few exciting things this morning. I know many of you are really invested in the channel as well, and what we do here as a family, and excited to share with you some great stuff on the channel too, which I'm sure most of you will find exciting. Anyway, there's my position. Let's look at my overall position right now. Let's bring my portfolio up. We've got my Roth IRA and my overall balance. So let's have a quick look at it. Here we go. So let's go straight into it right now. This is where we are this morning. We'll talk about Virgin Orbit in a few moments, and Virgin Galactic too. There's my overall position, 36,000. But let's remember, folks, we are still up on the year to date, 5.82. It's so far this year has been flat. I said my portfolio bottomed in December. Got away from margin, moved much more into defensive stocks, which is the best form of attack, certainly in a bear market like we are now. We have been for a year and a half. But look at that decline and see how I've managed to flatten out my portfolio over the last few months, buying the dips and going along the bottom with defensive stocks, even though we've had a big hit with Virgin Orbit losing money, I'm still doing okay. Right, this is good. Very, very important. So that's where we are year to date. Over the last 3 months, we're up. Over the last month, we're only down very slightly. The last week, we're down very slightly. So you can see everything's pretty okay on my main account. My Roth IRA, however, slightly different story. It is 40%. Let me just check what the percentage is right now. It is 44% J&J. Very defensive, so it's protecting the loss of Virgin Orbit. So we're starting to rise up there now. I had a minimum price that I've been buying at 150. So we're only down at 4%, which is great when you consider that J&J is down on the year, as you can see, like 13%. So I'm okay on that. So that's protecting my portfolio. But if we go and look at Virgin Orbit, we'll see it's still falling. I'm now down 19%. I haven't sold a single share, all right? I haven't sold a single share. Now, I am now announcing, because we are now in a whole different world, if I decide to sell my Virgin Orbit, then I will. Up to this point, I have said I won't sell it. And remember, I didn't want anyone to think that this is a pump and dump channel, that it would go up and everybody get excited and I would dump it at the top as other YouTubers do. That's the very opposite of what I do. However, now that time has come and gone, the deal fell through and there is the stock isn't pumping anymore. I now have the right, well, I had the right all the time, but now if I want to sell it, I will. However, I'm not going to. I'm just saying, if I decide to trim off the top, then I will. But I will announce it ahead of time with you. So if you want to know what I'm doing ahead of time, I will give you my Twitter. I'm very excited because I discovered yesterday that only 2% of Twitter accounts are over 1,000 followers. And I am on track to be at 1,000 followers by the summer. So I'm very excited about that. Most people that are over 1,000 followers are celebrities. I'm still a small YouTuber. Who knows? One day I might be a celebrity. I was once, years ago, when I was the world piano man. Anyway, there's my Twitter account if you want to follow me on Twitter. Okay, all right. All right, so there we go. That's Virgin Orbit. Now it's starting to come up, but I'm not planning on selling it at all. I'm not planning on buying any more, not because my outlook has changed. It's quite simple. Balance of your portfolio is very, very important. Structure is very, very important. Okay, let's read some of the comments that's coming in. It's the final countdown, Eric B. 15, 10, 5, 1 minute. I appreciate that. So that's something that's very important to me. Always keep everybody informed. Everyone hates when situations change and you're not informed. So I always make the point of announcing anything as we go along the way. I think it's why I always stop what I'm doing and announce 5 minutes away, 10 minutes away, and I always undersell and over-deliver. If I say I'm 15 minutes away, more than likely it'll be less. But I've always done that. I hope you find that useful. Good morning, Andrew Grady. Good morning, Ali Tizro. We'll talk to Ali Tizro this morning. I actually want to do a special event, Ali Tizro, for you. I would like to do a crypto special, go live when we... So perhaps today we could do that. I know you talked about you'd like to talk about your services. Ali Tizro sponsors my channel. And I think to get the most effective benefit for all from it, I think it would be a very good idea. At the end of this show, set up a crypto special. Come back an hour later. Everybody will come back. Crypto special. That will also attract a crypto audience. Ali, we're now starting to get a few trends on that as well. We're starting to rank for that search term as well, which I never thought I would, but I am, which is kind of cool. Do a special, you can phone in. So let me know if you could phone in. Let's say today we do this show for another hour and a half, end the show, take an hour break and come back with a crypto special. How does that sound to you? Morning legends. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Good morning, Martin, Ricky Dominic, Andrew Grady, SEC, Coinbase, CFT, CTFC, as NASDAQ agreed crypto buying and selling seems like they want control over crypto trading. Your portfolio seems to be in a big downtrend. Maybe another new all-time low is looming. I don't think that. I think my portfolio bottomed in December. What's bringing it down is Virgin Orbit. I have some Virgin Orbit in my main brokerage account, so that's what's doing that. Let's go over to that now, and you can see the S&P is down, but I'm still at 1.44, and that's 41%. The problem is this. 48% down. I've lost $244. That is my loss. That is all. Changes coming, Andrew, says Mike, watching BMEA and LCCM today. Now then, very, very important, okay? We are now going out in 13 languages. I'm glad I've got all my members here in one place. So let me explain a couple of things that can help you. We are going to get bigger. We are going to get a global audience. The channel is going to get busier, but I still want to keep my original members and my family happy and engaged and feel like it's a village, a small family, even though it could be millions, okay? Go on. This is the chat. You can go on and right click and you can translate to your language. Look. See this? Very, very important. You go over, you right click a comment, translate to that will be, it's a bit small, but it's there. Translate to your default language. Also, when you go into chat, you can hide user. right? You can say, I only want to speak to 5 people. You can have a very small experience. You might say, I just want to choose the members. I hide that one, hide that one, hide that one. So you can customize the experience that you have during the show. So if we get thousands of people in and you only want to speak to 2 people, then you can. All right. You can also slow the chat down. There are things that you can do that you have control over. Okay. How's the big loss you are willing to take? How big of a loss are you willing to take if you sell? I'm not going to sell now, Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit, unless Virgin Orbit announce bankruptcy. And remember, Bed Bath & Beyond announced bankruptcy and the stock was still traded up and down. It's not an immediate thing. There's a way to pop. People will know a stock's going bankrupt, so they'll short it, then they'll get a short squeeze. Even though it's going bankrupt, there's a period of time when you can trade it. So right now I am down. If I go to my Roth IRA position, my main position, here I have, I invested $1,000. I'm down $200. I've still got 866. If they announce bankruptcy today, it would drop, but then people would see it as an opportunity before it closes. So you've got time. So I'm leaving it in there. Right now, I'm down $200. It's already, I've already built into my portfolio. I could lose the whole thing. So if they announced a bankruptcy, I would look for an out and I would take the loss of a couple $100. I wouldn't lose all my money. I would get, most of my money out, and that would be that. That would be that. I wouldn't buy any more trying to scalp it. That's not really my style right now on this particular stock. However, I still believe it's the best technology in this field. Actually, this is where you test your investment mettle. If I'm honest, I want to put this out there, that this is what Warren Buffett did. Warren Buffett, when he first came in, bought rubbish stocks and penny stocks, which this is, anything under $5 it is. However, as he went on in life and became more seasoned and more expert, what he did was buy great companies that are in trouble, that have great potential. Virgin Orbit would fall into that category. Particularly for me, not the satellites, but the military angle. Again, same with Virgin Galactic. I see other opportunities around the stock other than the main focus that everybody seems to be focusing on. Someone like Warren Buffett could look at this and go, this technology is great. I'm going to buy a company that's in trouble. So I'm going to stay in the stock. This is how you make real money, life-changing money. That doesn't mean to say you keep buying it. I'm not rich. I can't buy 100,000 shares of this. Now it's down 20%. I can't do that. I'm not in a position to do that. I can't afford to do that. It's not about how much you buy either. It's about the percentage of your portfolio. I know what my targets are. You need to know what your targets are. My targets are 100,000 by the end of this year, 200,000, and of course now I've lost my Saturday gig. My $2,000 a month that was coming in, I lost it. They moved me to a new venue, and my fans came with me, and they were all cheering and shouting, and everyone was loving the show, and they decided I'm too much of a distraction in the restaurant. So everyone was clapping and cheering and loving it. It was just too much. They said, we can't have it. So I said, right, forget it. I'm going to focus on my YouTube where I can be my own show. I'm tired of, coming here and bringing an audience and everyone. It's just too much for you. So forget it. Let's go online and build a business with YouTube. So I have no other income now. My only income is members and super chats, and then it all goes on to my portfolio. So I haven't got unlimited funds, right? Number one. Two, Virgin Orbit can only be 10% of my portfolio as a higher risk stock at the very most. It can't be 100%. That's bad investing. You have to have balance, and that's why J&J is the biggest part of my portfolio, because I'm assured, as sure as eggs is eggs, this will be up and carry my portfolio up. This is a $250 stock, and it will protect my portfolio, allowing me to take some risk with Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic, and things like that. Very, very important. Right. I sold half of my VORB, still hold 250 shares just in case. That's okay. Very sensible. But again, that is your portfolio. I'm sure you've done the right thing for your portfolio. I bet 1% of that 1% are all bots, follow for follow accounts too. Could well be. So I'm really excited that I'm heading by the summer to be at 1,000 followers. That kind of, because people with followers on Twitter tend to be celebrities or well-known. So I'm very excited to see how it's growing. So if you're not yet a follower of mine on Twitter, please do follow me. It's the backup. Please do follow me there. Anyway, let's go down the comments. Martyn Lucas Investor should wear BG wig and grow 80s beard, become Richard Branson and become the boss of Virgin Orbit and the Virgin Galactic Flyers to the moon. I love it. Julian Leet, you offer such great input on our show. You should so be a member of our channel. Should Julian Leet be a member of our channel? I'm going to give him the invitation. He should be a member. We don't want any Tom, Dick and Harry being members. We just love people that bring great content. Here you go. Let me invite you to become a member. You could be a member just for a couple of bucks a month if you wanted to be. Anyway, let's have a look. You should gift us platinum status to all your members. I can't gift memberships. It's not possible for me to do that. I see. You mean when I buy, I can gift a super chat. Martyn Lucas, not Martyn Lucas Investor can. Yeah, I can do gift memberships, but it doesn't go specifically to somebody. I can't upgrade somebody. Good morning, everyone. Jeffrey Diamond. We got some tips coming in from Ed Nivius this morning. OneWeb and Space will always have the monopoly on satellites. OneWeb and SpaceX. No, I don't think so. I think Virgin Orbit is the way to go. I really do. Gifted one Martyn Lucas membership. Who's going to win this morning? Ali Tizro has just gifted a membership. And attorney Scott Miller has just won a membership. We can upgrade you now if you come on into the chat. Do you prefer investing in specific companies to balance your portfolio? What about ETFs and mutual funds? Yellow, Neely. I do have ETFs. There. The S&P 500, that is VU, I have, and that's 40% of my brokerage position. Mohammed Kahain, I have 100,000 shares. When the market opens, I'm buying another 100,000. Total, 200,000 shares from Mohammed Kahain. He's going all in on Virgin Orbit. There you go. That's great to see. Virgin Orbit also has contracts. Yes, it does. Virgin Orbit has contracts to fulfill for the customers. That's why I am staying in. That's why it's an investment. And this channel is called Martyn Lucas Investor, not Martyn Lucas Gambler. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much indeed for Ali. That's a double celebration. First of all, Ali, that's a super chat for me because gifting a membership is like a super chat. So thank you very much indeed. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, mate. That's a super chat for me, but it's also a membership. We have a new member in the chat right now. So Scott Miller, we can upgrade you as a new member. There you go. You are a new member of the channel. Thank you very much indeed. If you want your perks and benefits, then you can. Now then, do we have in the house Nasty Investor? The Nasty Investor, is he in the house? Let me just check if I did this. Let me have a little look on my members. Did I do that? No, I didn't. So, the Nasty Investor, that's what I wanted to check. The Nasty Investor, did you want to go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Is that something that you would like? If it is, let me know and I will do it live now during the show. Okay? Welcome everybody. Let's read some of these comments. Good morning, everyone. Stephen Lewandowski. Seems like a classic tactic from tactic from Matthew Brown. Pulled out and call VO bluff on valuation. I think the deal will be done, but shareholders probably wiped out. 22. What do you mean? Do you know what? 22. I'd love you to call in on the show and be on the show. Eric B. Good morning, sir. The Nasty Investor. Right. Great. Sure. Let's do it. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is do that for you right now. So I'm going to do it live during the show. That way. And I've also got an update. As I do this now, I want to do this first. For all of my friends, family, and so on, you all know that I've committed my full working life, which is kind of my entire life, to building this channel and with you and so on. My music channel's been suffering, and we're just a few days away now from being demonetized, and then I can't do concerts, fundraisers, after-hour parties. None of that stuff is possible. So I asked you all to go to my music channel, loop it, play videos, keep it running in the background. You can do it during the live shows. Open another tab, and I am excited to say we are moving up really quickly. We got down to 2,500 watch hours, and now remember, there are no hours falling off. It's all up, 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 and there's about 15 of you looping. So 2,500, 2,600, 2,700. We've just hit now 2,800. We're gaining 100 watch hours every day. Look, 2,800. Look at that curve. You've even beat now what we did in December when we started. Look at that, 2,800. If we continue this for another, by tomorrow, if you continue, we'll be at 2,900. We could be at 3,000 by Thursday. We could be done by a week. And we could be at 4,000 watch hours again. So please do continue to do what you're doing. We are accelerating. More people are doing it. Thank you very much, everyone who has been doing that. Thank you very much indeed. Right then, now I'm going to do our gold member yesterday. Last night, me and Leah went to Starbucks, and we sat outside. The first time we've had a date night in nearly a year. I work flat out in this studio, and the Nasty Investor, thank you so much indeed for those 2 super chats last night. We had coffee and cake and a little bun, and we sat outside and we heard the birds, and it was lovely. So thank you very much indeed. We really enjoyed it. So thank you. So now I'm going to, as you are a gold member also, I'm going to upgrade you as well, and put you on the home page so we can get you more subscribers. All right, so I'm going to do that right now. Featured channels, here we go. As we're watching my portfolio, I am going to upgrade your account. Here we go. So edit this section. Right, I'm looking for the Nasty Investor. The Nasty Investor. Let me check I've got the right one. The Nasty Investor, that looks like you. Yes, it is. There you are. Now, you are a gold member, so I have to put you at the top. All the way to the very top of the list of my members. Muzanella, Nicky Boy Gaming is gold. Right there. There you go. Right at the top. There you go. So, in a few moments' time, on the home page of the channel, let's refresh it, and let's see if you appear there at the top. It might take about 5 minutes for it to populate, but if we scroll down to the members, silver and upwards, there you are. The Nasty Investor, you're right at the top. There's my channel, LSC, Muzanella, gold member for the longest time, so he stays there, gold member for the longest time, and then there's you. There you go. You are now right at the top of our channel. On Fridays, we do members days, and we get everyone to subscribe to you. So if anybody wants to look below and see my members and subscribe at any point, you'll see your channel grow. But on members days, Fridays, we like to promote people. Broke 26, Ed Nevius. Okay, what I mean is the sticking point is the valuation. Virgin Orbit want the best for their shareholders, while Matthew Brown just wants the best deal. Okay. I am looping on 5 tabs right now. Incredible. Thank you, Eric B. I'm sure the deal will be done if the right valuation is agreed, but it will be much lower than the current share price, in my opinion. I just want to keep the company going because I know the company will be fantastic. I'm staying in. My pleasure. Thank you. Hello, I'm famous. Yes, you are. And my channel is growing faster and faster. Yesterday, we gained 65 subscribers. One of the best ever days. We're gaining momentum every day. So as I grow, all my members grow as well with me. Okay. Also, I want to share some other news. Look at this. If I refresh this, you will see we've got another new first. Look, the video I put out last night is breaking all records. Can you see it's got the little fireworks? #1. Look at that. #1 video. It's done 726 views in the first. It was only launched last night at like 7 o'clock. Has everybody watched it yet? 14% click-through rate. That's off the charts. So there you go. If you've not yet watched that video, all my members, if you wouldn't mind, let me share with you the link to it and leave a comment. The only thing it doesn't have yet is comments. So I'm going to give you the link right now. And if you could open a tab now and let it run. It's a 12-minute video, actually. And it's all about the outcome of Virgin Orbit and where we go next. So it's a Virgin Orbit special. If you want to bookmark this, Virgin Orbit special, and if you can watch it all the way through and leave a comment, there you go. And there you go, Virgin Orbit special. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it pop up. There you go. The Nasty Investor, the hell of a drug vid gave me a laugh. There you go. 22 enjoyed one of your videos. How cool is that? Martyn Lucas, I sent email to Virgin Orbit asking them you would like to host a launch if in your studio, and told them Martyn Lucas is the guy you need. Thank you very much indeed. I've actually got, that's very kind of you. I've got my Lucasades doing that. If you don't know what I mean by that, our hashtag for our army is Lucasades, and I've heard that there are Lucasades doing that very thing, contacting Virgin Orbit. You can contact Virgin Orbit, tag me in it, use the hashtag Lucasades so we can all search and see what you're doing. And you can contact Richard Branson, Virgin Orbit, and you can say, just like Julian Lee, what he's up to. There you go. Brilliant. Okay. Yes, the Virgin Galactic song is now at 1,200 views, but this has done 729 in less. In fact, in 13 hours. That's why it's #1 on my videos. I've never had a video grow that quickly on my channel before. So that's very, very exciting. So thanks to all of you for that. Right then, we are at 51 watching and 21 likes. So back to Ali Tizro. Would you like to do a crypto special this morning? So we'll end this show in an hour and a half, something like that. And we'll do a crypto special talking about you. Do a live. You can call in, live Q&A, a big promotion for your crypto challenge. What do you think of that? Ali Tizro, are you in the chat? Let me just check if Ali is here. Yes, he is. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, let's ask Ali Tizro. I think it will be much better for him. My favourite piano man. Hi all. Hello. How you doing? Ali Isles. Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Thank you. I'm just trying to find my niche on YouTube. Making people smile is good. Nasty Investor, this is the sort of thing as a gold member we can talk about when you call me, set up a online call with me. But one of the best tip I can give you, remember, do never, ever ask YouTubers for advice on YouTube. And I'll tell you why, other than me. And I'll tell you why I say that. YouTubers make YouTube videos telling you how to be successful. And they are some of the most successful videos on YouTube. And the only reason why they are successful is because people want to know how to be successful. So a YouTuber can say anything and it becomes successful. Because people are looking for how to be successful. So when they see another channel be successful, it's a kind of loop. They think that person must be successful. They're only successful because you watched them say how to be successful. It was a spiral. And most of the tips that YouTubers give you, oh, look at me, I got 1,000 subscribers in 5 minutes. Look at me, I've made $1 million. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. They don't know how it works. Nobody knows how it works on YouTube. Nobody. That's the truth. There are certain key elements we understand, but most we don't know. But when a YouTuber gets success, they like to profess on it, prophesize on it, and of course everybody then goes, I want to follow that guy. Of course they get more successful, so everybody wants to follow that guy even more. That guy gets even more successful, and it is the blind leading the blind. There are only a few things I know to be true. And I want to share just one of those things with you now. This will be on our call, if we have a call together. The most, and I don't want to use the word easy because it's not about being easy. You can get lucky and a viral video can happen, but most people have to work hard at it. Most people don't get lucky. It's work. The best way to grow on YouTube is find a subject that no one else is doing, but others are searching for. If you start doing a crypto video channel or a Bitcoin video or a channel or Tesla or something that everybody else is doing with millions of subscribers, you will never rank for that subject. Very, very, very hard to break through. Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic, very small companies, not a lot of people talking about them. If you do regular content and answer the questions that people are searching for and not getting answers, you will get views. However, if your content isn't good and no one likes and watches and comes back, YouTube won't show anymore. They will try to find another provider for the content. Remember, YouTube is a business and it's trying to make money from ads. So what it's trying to do is serve their customers, the viewers, with an experience that will keep them on the channel. That's it. So they can serve more ads and make more money. So what they're looking for is to provide an answer to the questions that their customers are looking for, that they enjoy and watch. And if you make content that nobody else is making or very few people are making, and you can very quickly rank for it. You can very quickly rank for it. And once you rank for something, then you become dominant in that field. I own the search term on YouTube: Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic, SPCE stock, Virgin Orbit stock. I rank above CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. I rank above all of those. Remember, it's not who's the biggest, who's the richest. It's who works the hardest and provides the best content will win. Virgin Orbit don't do anything. Virgin Galactic don't do anything. They do very little. So I rank above those. So I own those search terms. That's massive. And one day when Virgin Orbit is massive and Virgin Galactic is massive like Tesla, I will have the biggest channel in the world. Potentially. If I keep going and people come back for my content, I will own those search terms. So that's how you grow. Pick something, and it's very easy to find out what people are searching for. You just type it in. Find out what people are searching for. Does anyone do it? Is anyone covering it? And you can find that information out and do it. But do it because you're interested in it. If you're not interested in it and all you want to do is make money, you'll lose. Virgin Orbit, look at this. I'm staying in the stock. I'm staying in. I'm going nowhere. And look at it coming up. Who sold out for a loss? Virgin Galactic, I'm buying more at 3. Said it would go to 3. Get criticised for that a lot. Ukraine is ready to resume electricity export to EU amid a surplus. That's wonderful news. US house price mixed month-on-month actual 0.2. Thank you very much indeed for that information, 22. Whoa, SIVB has crashed, flood of edits. We've got a comment here from a friend in Korea. Let me, I think it's Korean. Let me translate it. Is there a Virgin Orbit prospect?
버진 오빅 가망이 있을까요?
Is there a Virgin Orbit prospect? You mean, are there other investors? Yes, yes, there are. So let me do that right now. Let me open up Google Translate. A moment. Google Translate. I'm going to do that for you now. Yes, there are other interested parties. People looking at Virgin Orbit.
예, 버진 오빗을 보고 있는 다른 관심 있는 사람들이 있습니다. 예, 버진 오빗을 보고 있는 다른 관심 있는 사람들이 있습니다.
Okay, so for those of you who just tuned in, I explained to my members how you can get all the comments in English, should you wish to do so. And now I can show you. So for those of you who we wish to grow the channel to become the best channel in the world. So we're going to have lots of people around the world join us. So if you don't understand how to do this, I will share with you right now. In fact, I will make a video on this right now. So we'll make a video on this now. I will put this out later. So let me mark the video right now. We've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. We are at 37 minutes. Okay, 37 minutes. 37 minutes. Languages. This can help other YouTubers as well. Okay, here we go. Are you a YouTuber that wants to become the best, biggest YouTube channel in the world, and you've now got people joining you from all around the world in all languages, and your original members and your original viewers that joined you from your country maybe get overwhelmed or confused by the amounts of languages and different languages that's in the super chat? Sorry, I'll edit that out. Different languages that are in the live chat. Well, there is a way that you can make this experience great again for your original members and keep it a small family at the same time, like a small village at the same time as being a global village. You can do that. This is how you do it. So this is my live chat right now in a live video. I'm making this video during a live chat and doing a live show, and we are now getting a global audience. I go out in 13 different languages all around the world, and you can see right now I've got lots of friends here who talk to me, and they talk to me in Korean. However, some of my viewers are English. I do have French, German, Italian, Japanese, Australian, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish. I have over 13 different languages. So they get confused by, I don't understand what's being said. Well, you have several options. First of all, you have the option to select different viewers during the chat. So you can go like this, click on here and hide this user. So perhaps you don't want to see this person. You want to thin it out a little bit. You can do that. Or what I like to do, you can do this. You can click this button. You can you can right click. That's a little bit small to see, I know, but just right click one of the comments like that, and it goes translate to English or whatever country is your default, okay? And then it says at the top there in English, and as you can see, it has changed the language immediately into English, and it can do it for the full page, for all the videos, for all the comments in the live chat. So if you wish to make the experience better for your viewers, explain this in a video and how it's done. All they need to do is right click, and they can either translate or they can just tap the comment and hide the user. It makes it a better experience. That way you can grow and be a global brand, a global YouTube channel at the same time, keeping it small for your members and your original fans that joined you at the beginning. There we go. Another top tip from Martyn Lucas Investor. I hope you enjoyed that. Join us live every day as we grow our channel. We hope to become the best, not the biggest, the best. The biggest comes by default. The best YouTube channel in the world. Join us, and if you want more tips like this, as I get them, join my live shows, and you never know, I might drop tips in like this at any time. Anyway, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, that'll do. Let's come back and we'll put that out later. Now then, we have got a bit of a problem here this morning. We have got 54 watching, which is fantastic. It's only 20 past 8 in the morning. The bell hasn't gone. 55, but only 22 likes. What is going on? What is going on? So let's fix that problem right now. We need 50 likes in 1 minute. And if we get 50 likes this morning, I will do another impression for you. Which voice will I do this morning? Are you ready? Here we go. Which voice shall I do this morning if we get 50 likes? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We got 55 watching. We should be able to get 50 likes. If we get 50 likes, I will do another voice. We did Michael Jackson. We did Paul McCartney. Who did we do? I can't remember who we did now. 26. It's moving up. 27. Which voice shall we do today? We could do... there's so many voices. We'll pick one. You can choose who you want. 30. Everyone smashing the like button now. Absolutely brilliant. There you go. Keep on going. 20 more likes and you can have another impression in the show. What do you want it to be? 31. We're doing well. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get Mr. Mini-Me back in his box. 31. Let's get it to 50. We could do it. There are 55 of you watching. Absolutely awesome. 57, in fact. Smash the like button, and as soon as we get to 50 likes, you can choose another voice, another impression. All right. Martyn Lucas, new boss, Virgin Orbit, vote poll. Right, Julian, I can do polls for members. If you are a member, I can do a poll. So if you're not a member, unfortunately, so if anybody is a member here and you would like to do Julian Leit's poll, the poll that Julian Leit is interested in, Martyn Lucas, the new boss at Virgin Orbit. We could do a poll and I can send the results into Virgin Orbit. Someone else would need to request it, or Julian Leit, another reason for you to become a member. I can answer all your questions, do videos for you, and promote your channel on my YouTube channel and give you your own channel on Discord. The list goes on and on and on. There we go. There's an invitation to join should you wish to do so. Let's press the thumbs up button. Hey, look at this. Fantastic. Press the thumbs up button from our friend from Korea. Thank you very much indeed. I want to put a message out because I am recording a Virgin Orbit song and it's going to come out today, right? I have, let me just say this. Yesterday, I had lots of people in Korea listening to my music. So I'm making a song. I am making a Virgin Orbit song for my fans around the world and including my new fans from Korea. It will be released today. Okay. There you go.
한국의 새로운 팬들을 포함하여 전 세계 팬들을 위해 버진 오빗 송을 만들고 있습니다. 오늘 출시되나요?
So there you go. I'm making a Virgin Orbit song for my fans around the world, including my new fans from Korea. It will be released today. All right, there you go.
한국의 새로운 팬들을 포함하여 전 세계 팬들을 위해 버진 오빗 송을 만들고 있습니다. 오늘 출시되나요?
Okay. Martin, I'd like to verify that I friended you in Discord. Dick Jones, did I message you the other night about the scammer? Right. Dick Jones, I need to go over to Discord. Are you a member of my channel? Let me have a look. Are you a member, Dick? You are a member. Okay, Dick Jones. Can you go into the welcome all, please? Come in here to the welcome all. We've got 5 minutes before the bell goes. And let me just make sure that you are upgraded. Now, I want to put a warning out to everybody. It's very, very important. If anyone on Discord messages you, it's not me. Okay? The scammers, if you notice a scammer on Discord, I delete them all the time. Every day I delete someone pretending to be me. If you notice a scammer on Discord, what you do is you go here. You go into Discord, and we have a channel, and it's called Scam Alert. You put it in here, and then I can see who the scammers are. It's the best way of doing it. I will notice it, and I will delete it, and so on. But if anyone messages you on in fact, anywhere, it's not me. Dick Jones, there you go. Dick Jones is here. Let me confirm, first of all. Dick Jones, is this you? In the chat, can you just confirm that is you? I will be able to check anyway if it's got a role. It is you, is a member. Thank you very much. There's Dick Jones, yes. Thank you. Now I can confirm our messages. There you go. I've got the first scammer. There you go. Thank you. It says, yeah, there you go. There's the conversation. Thank you, Dick Jones. Please, if you're ever getting anyone message you, first of all, I don't. I only ever reply to your messages. Thank you, Dick. But also remember, you can always check. Right click, check the role, and you will notice that they do not have the role of owner. I am the owner. I'm in gold, and it's very clear to see that I am very different than everybody else. Okay? Yes, do the poll. Right, a member has, for Julian Leet, offered a poll. Okay, Crag has donated. Crag has donated a poll for Julian. Okay. should Martyn be the boss of Virgin? That's hilarious. That's actually hilarious. I cannot believe I'm asking this question. Well, it was asked. So there you go. Crag has donated a poll to Julian Leet. Should Martyn be the boss of Virgin? Yes or no? That's hilarious. I will send that then to Virgin Orbit. Okay. Let's have a little look. Yes, I saw that. Julian joined the family. He should join the family, right? I hope we get good results by Thursday. Thursday, I do too. You don't need to type in Korean. They speak English. Yes, but I encourage everyone to use their own language. We can always translate it. Everyone. I love the fact that we're international. We have a global audience. It's fantastic. He is a great singer. We Koreans tend to like people who can sing well. There you go. Look at that. Awesome. South Korea. There we go. Nice. Yep. I like America. He has helped Korea since the past. I remember the fact without forgetting it. Lovely. You got this. I've got another Martyn added me to friends. Dick Jones, I think we are friends. Yeah, we are friends. I've just checked. Me and you are friends indeed. Just check. All you've got to do is check the role. I'm going to show you how to do that. Some of you may not know how to do this. Okay, so we've got, in fact, we've got 10 seconds to go before the bell goes. I'll come back to that. We've got 10 seconds to go. Let's go back to the main portfolio. The bell is now gone. We'll come back to that, how you do that in a moment. Market opening, there we go. Let's go. The S&P overall portfolio is down very slightly. Virgin. The S&P is moving down. Virgin Galactic is coming back up. Virgin Orbit still going down. I'm not selling it. It could easily go down to 10 cents a share. Could easily do that. But just as easy, pop up as well. So anyway, my overall portfolio is dropping. Rivian, Tesla. We got 35 likes right now. If we get to 50 likes, we'll do another voice for you. Another impression. Smash the like button and hit the thumbs up.
한국의 새로운 팬들을 포함하여 전 세계 팬들을 위해 버진 오빗송을 만들고 있습니다. 오늘 출시되나요?
I just told everybody about the song coming out. Smash the like button. It really, really helps.
좋아요 버튼을 눌러주세요. 정말 도움이 됩니다. 감사합니다.
There we go. Smash the like button. It really helps. Got 35 likes now. Let's get this likes up. Tesla. I've got a Tesla buy at 150. Lucid. I'd buy it at 6. Apple. I'm not buying anymore. I'm plenty in. Amazon. I've got a buy at 88. McDonald's. I want to buy as soon as it goes negative. Let's go to the moon. BMA possible halts today. Be careful if trading. Let's have a look now then. We're getting another drop. Tesla is going down. I want to buy it at 150. I've got buy orders for nearly $2,000 set everywhere. Set everywhere. Dick Jones, is this you? In the chat, can you just... Okay. Tesla, 190. Once it hits 150, I shall buy some. Lucid, Apple, Virgin Orbit. I'm not buying any more, not throwing any more money at it. I don't care how cheap it goes. Virgin Galactic. Voice Fancy, Flames of Love, says Julian Leet. How many votes have we had now? Incredible. So I'm going to translate this. Crag has announced a...
좋아요 버튼을 눌러주세요. 정말 도움이 됩니다. 감사합니다.
That was inviting everyone to smash the like button. And we have a poll here. Crag has donated a poll for Julian. Should Martyn be the boss of Virgin? So I'm going to translate that.
크레그가 줄리안에 대한 설문조사를 기부했습니다. 마틴이 버진의 보스가 되어야 합니까?
There you go. How many votes have we had? 20 votes, 90%. That's incredible. That's incredible. Virgin Orbit is still going down. Don't forget, if you want to tweet any of this stuff, tag me in it. Send it to Virgin Orbit. Let's start a firestorm with Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. Right, the overall portfolio is down 0.5% now. Look, we are getting a drop across the whole board. My portfolio still, I say, has bottomed. Let's see if it has a new bottom. We shall find out. Let's go over now to my main position and let's see where we are. Here is my overall position. Here's my Roth IRA. And there is my overall. We were nearly at 50,000. We're down $2,000 from we were just touching 50,000 a couple of days ago before all this. So there you go. I'm holding. I'm not going anywhere. I'm holding my position. There you go. That's where I am. The Nasty Investor stock in Manchester United. I don't think it's going to be a long time. Virgin Orbit. She's a friend of mine. I'm not the man she thinks I am. Oh no, I'm a stocking man. Hey, stocking man. I don't think it's going to be a long time. Virgin Orbit, she's a friend of mine. I'm not the man she thinks I am. Oh no. I'm a stocking man. I'm going to grab that. That's a good line there. I'm going to grab that. I like that. I think that's good. Thanks for that. Terrible song lyrics. That's a Nasty Investor. The Spy is sinking. Indeed, Stocking Man has Stocking Man has multiple interpretations. It does. Virgin Orbit falling down. Let's go back to Virgin Orbit a minute. I'm holding my position, not selling it. All right. I just got a line. I just got a musical line come into my head. All right, ready? You ready? My money has depleted and my stress has overheated. I was heading to the bank of Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit. I was heading to the bank of Virgin Orbit. With my money has depleted and my stress has overheated. I was heading to the bank of Virgin Orbit. A Virgin Orbit. A Virgin Orbit. I was heading to the bank of Virgin Orbit. When my money has depleted and my stress has overheated. I was heading to the bank of Virgin Orbit. Oh, I love it. Okay. I'm not the man I think I am. I'm a stocking man. I'm not the man they think I am. I'm a stocking man. I'm going to grab that one as well. Oh, man. It's funny. We should start a dance, right? Anyway, the Virgin Orbit song is coming out today. Okay. Yeah, funny. Everyone likes it. See? There you go. It's a hit. It's a hit already. Overall portfolio is dropping. So, Ali Tizro, did you like my idea about crypto? You never came back to me. I don't know if he's missing what I'm saying. Martyn Lucas, Music Man, book of worldwide party invite, sings a song, sings and plays piano called Cat on the Block. What? Cat on the Block? I got a rocket in my pocket, Virgin Orbit. Got a rocket in my pocket, Virgin Orbit. I got a rocket in my pocket, Virgin. I like that. I've got a rocket in my pocket, Virgin Orbit. I've got a rocket in my pocket, Virgin Orbit. With my stress is overheated and my cash is depleted, I was heading to the bank of Virgin Orbit. Oh my God, you're writing the songs for me. You're writing the songs for me. I tell you, you're writing the songs for me. I got a rocket in my pocket. That's got to be a line in it. Do you think Virgin Orbit need to change the senior leadership in order to gain funding but also stay afloat? Do I think it needs a change of senior leadership? I don't know the answer to that. There it is right now. It's starting to come back up again. Let's have a look. See if we've got any news breaking today. Let me check my Bloomberg feed. Let's have a little look here. See what we can see over here on Bloomberg. The S&P is down today 0.19. NASDAQ down 0.6. Bank of America names ECM banker Pauli as Switzerland's country executive. Big tech leads declines for second day. Tech is what will get us out of this trouble, though. So that's why I always hold my tech. Tech is a problem solver. You just got to buy when it dips. Do you think Virgin Orbit needs to change its senior leadership? I don't know the answer to that question. Carson with a K. Sounds like you need to make a special album all about stocks. You've no idea, Carson with a K. That's brilliant. Gold hedges higher as stocks waver after bank rescue rebound. Let's have a look here. Futures dip lower as bonds stabilize. Dollar drops. Virgin Orbit is starting to come up a little bit. I'm not buying it at the moment, though. News alert, news alert, news alert. Martyn Lucas, new boss of Virgin Orbit. What about, what, says Doctor Who? Fantastic. Oh, gosh. Virgin Galactic. So let's have some fun, shall we? If you want If you want me to be to do the presentations for the Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit presentations, oh, by the way, we are streaming we are on April the 10th, in 2 weeks' time, we are streaming the earnings for Virgin Orbit, if they're still in business, of course. But yeah, if you want to, what I strongly recommend you do is start setting up a thread on Twitter. That's where I'm active with all this kind of stuff. Here is my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, and you can start being involved and using the hashtag LucasAids. I'll give it to you now. All this information, by the way, is below all my videos in the descriptions. There's the hashtag. Tag me in that, and we'll start an army on Twitter. We'll become the biggest army in the world. My GE stock is finally green since 2008. That's a long hold. GE is good for the the wind, I mean. The wind. You mean the wind turbines. That's what, you know what I'm saying, right? Virgin Orbit, I'm holding because I will lose too much money now after my initial profit. If they sell, if they're still in business. I'm right with you. I am keeping my position as well. I am absolutely right. Please smash the like button. It really does help.
좋아요를 눌러주세요. 정말 도움이 됩니다.
There you go. Smash the like button. It really does help. Book of Worldwide Party Invite. Sings and plays piano. Cool cat on the block. I like it. So Virgin Orbit coming up. Virgin Galactic is doing a nice little bounce now. S&P is recovering. Overall, my overall portfolio, let's have a little look. Yeah, not too bad. We've come up $165 this morning. Let me share with you my overall position. There you go. That's where we are now. So we were at 48. We've gained a little bit. We're on the way up a little bit. It's all good. The S&P's coming up quickly. I've got about $2,000 worth of buy orders all across the board. So let me check if any of you have done the comments I asked for. Got a Virgin Orbit special. It's a potentially our next or viral video, potentially. We've never had a complete viral video. We've had a viral video for a couple of hours, but that's not the full term of it. There's the Virgin Orbit special. Came out last night, and it's done 762 views, and it's only 13 hours in. That is by far my most successful video. So if you could leave a comment, let me share with you. Look, it gets the fireworks on YouTube if this happens. Look, this is my homepage. Look, see, I've got the fireworks. See, I've got the fireworks from YouTube. See, cool, isn't it? There you go, number one video. Very cool, right? Let me check the comments, see if anyone's gone over and left a comment yet. A lot of spammers, as always. There we go. So what have we got here? We have a few. We have a few of you joined in. We have Bill. Bill has done a comment. Thank you, Bill. Eric's done a comment. This here is spam. I shall delete this. I get thousands of these a day. Always crypto, always Bitcoin, trying to sell Bitcoin. That's a scammer. I'll delete that. I'll delete that. Ali Isles has done it. Thank you very much indeed. Wow, all of you. There's quite a few of you. Our Korean investor, thank you very much indeed. Paul Carter, Julian, Kim Weiss, and Project Freedom. Thanks to all of you. I will reply back to you. Make sure if you do watch it, look, these are all the video. Look, if you do watch it, let it run all the way through. That really helps the video, okay? There you go. I will reply to all of you and I'll delete all these people. This is what I have to do. Look, I get thousands of these a day. They're always the same. They're always trying to sell Bitcoin. And I go like this. I go, report. Unwanted. Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want you. You're not a good person. No, we don't want you. I do this every day. So there you go. Thousands of these things every single day. There you go. Get rid of that. There you go. And now I'm left with the real people. All right. Send the link for the comment you want. Yay! It's the Virgin Orbit special. Let it run through, Real Ray. It's 12 minutes long. It came out last night. I want you to make sure you watch it all the way through. If you just watch the first minute, it doesn't work. Hello, Felician. Hey, let me do this for you. Let me do this for you in French. Here we go, especially for you, Felician.
Veuillez écraser le bouton j'aime. Cela aide vraiment.
Hey.
Veuillez écraser le bouton j'aime. Cela aide vraiment.
That's French for smash the like button. I love it. Also looping the special. Ah, Sid Arthur, thank you so much indeed. Look, we're coming up now. This is good. Right, we've got 42 likes now. We've got... I tell you what we'll do. If we get to 50 likes, we'll do Pavarotti. We'll do an impression of Pavarotti. So we've got 56 watching, 42 likes. Look, there you go. Everyone smash the like button. 42, if we get to 50 likes, I'll do Pavarotti. Oh yeah, Pavarotti. That'll be good at 8 o'clock in the morning without warming up. All right, Pavarotti. 42 likes. We just need 50 likes. 8 more likes. So smash the flipping like button. Hey, Martin, hope all is well, dude. Thank you, Lewis. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. We've got a Virgin Orbit song coming out this afternoon. Virgin Orbit song. Let me go over to Discord, open up the broadcast lounge. Does anybody want to call in? I'll open it up. You can now call in if anybody wants to call into the show. If you want to be live on the show, you can call in. And this is what it's like if you call in. All right, this is what the other traders did. Through Discord, you can call in via video, or you can call in just on a call. It's up to you. 43 likes now, 7 likes away from Pavarotti. Let me put that in. There we go. 7 likes away from a Pavarotti voice. Smash the like, please. I love it. Okay, here we go.
7 likes loin d'un Pavarotti voice. Casse le lien, s'il te plaît.
There you go. Pavarotti in, apparently that was in French. All right.
7 likes loin d'un Pavarotti voice.
We'll send it in Korean as well.
파바로티 보이스에서 좋아요 7개. 링크를 부숴주세요.
Wow, it works. Look, see, it works. We're at 48.
파바로티 보이스에서 좋아요 7개. 링크를 부숴주세요.
The S&P is just dropping. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. I've held my position. I'm not selling it. Rivian, Tesla. I've got buy orders. Oh, there we go. Finally. Jason Fallon has been a member. If you're not a member, what you doing? Join the family and buy a mug. There you go. Yes. Lovely. Tesla's going down. Jason Fallon, we got to celebrate that because it's very, very important, right? Let's hear from a few of our members. We might have Pavarotti in a minute, and we'll also celebrate Jason Fallon's membership. Ali Tizro, I keep calling you. I want to do a crypto special after this. Would you like to do a crypto special? Just talking about crypto, a half an hour special. I need you, call in, phone in. We'll talk about your crypto challenge. I think it would be a much better way than dropping it into today's chat. I think you'll get a lot more out of it. I'm starting to trend for crypto as well, so I think it'll be good for you, okay? All right, let me know what you think.
To have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at coingeek.com and gorillapool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the Day Trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat.
Andrew Grady, OCD. I can't go until you read my comment. I have OCD. You missed the comment. Okay, Ali Tizro. Ali Tizro would like to do that. Okay, so Ali, let's set that up. I'll communicate with you on Discord, set the time to make sure that you can call in. There's no point setting it up if you can't call in. I need you to be on the call. Otherwise, it wouldn't make much sense. And we'll do that. This is great for Tesla now. I'm trying to find an entry point back into Tesla. Very, very good. For a long-term hold, I want to add to my position. Apple on the way down, but I'm holding my position there. Virgin Orbit. Let's have a look. Have we got 48 likes now? We need 2 likes. And then we can do Pavarotti.
파바로티 보이스에서 좋아요 2개. 링크를 부숴주세요.
Brilliant.
2 likes loin d'un Pavarotti voice. Casse le lien s'il te plaît.
Excellent. We've just had some friends join from Arabia as well. So here we go. This is up for our friends in Saudi Arabia.
2 إعجاب بعيدا عن بافاروتي فويس. تحطم الرابط من فضلك.
There we go. In the meantime, let's have a look at XRP. 0.5 is the level to break. XRP, let's have a look at XRP. Indeed. Let me do that right now, Ali. Let me go into my account and let's have a look at it. XRP. This is a position that we hold in the crypto challenge, and you can see where we are now. I think I can bring up the candles. Yep, here we are. This is our position here. Let's have a little look. 48 likes now. And let's go over to XRP, Ripple. It's at 0.5 right now, 25% this week. We do hold it on the crypto challenge, and I can share that with you actually, my position on the crypto challenge. Here we go, in Coinbase, this is my position. Let's have a little look. 1,118. We only started with $1,000, but I want to stress, very, very important actually, we've only invested 30%. You see my USD coin? I'm earning 4%. So Ali isn't just going buy everything. The fact is we've made $117, which is like 17 or so, sort of 12%. Something like that, out of just 30% of my money, which is phenomenal, right? Really, really great. Anyway, we're going to have a crypto special later on today, so we look forward to that. For the friends from Arabia, can you sing Pavarotti while belly dancing? That sounds good. That sounds good. I like it.
2 إعجاب بعيدا عن بافاروتي فويس تحطم الرابط من فضلك.
Awesome stuff.
파바로티 보이스에서 좋아요 2개. 링크를 부숴주세요.
And Ali, update me as well, because I tend to do the trades when you message me privately. I haven't got time to go into Discord, so just copy me in as a message, please. If there's anything I need to be buying or selling, of course, let me know. I'm following everything that you tell me. I'm one of you. I'm one of your sheep, one of your disciples. I'm following you religiously, so let me know. All right, keep me up in the loop. Okay, correspondence between Ali and Andrew Grady. Thank you. Virgin, the overall portfolio is just dropping back. The S&P had a little spike and it's falling off. Just got a new subscriber. Welcome to you. Thank you very much indeed. Welcome all new friends from Korea. We got a huge audience now coming from Korea. It's quite incredible.
한국에서 온 모든 새로운 친구들을 환영합니다.
Thank you so much to all of you. 2 more likes to go and we will be able to do a Pavarotti impression. Okay, I'm getting closer. I'm now 49% crypto, 51% stocks. Oh, there we go. Mullen under 0.10. Rest in peace. There we go. So I'm not... I said I would... Hang on. Let me go and check Mullen. Duplicate. Let's have a look. Mullen. Let's check our Mullen position. Oh, I thought for a minute it couldn't be loaded. I thought, hello, what's going on there? Right, the S&P. Mullen. Yes, 9 cents. Oh, my gosh. There we go. It's actually in my Roth IRA. It was a long-term position if it ever made any money. I bought a very small position. It's worth $200. And my average is there. I said I'd buy another 100 at 10. But because I've lost so much money with my Virgin Orbit, I'm not going to invest anything else. I've got enough there, and that's it. And that's it. I mean, seriously, how much lower can it go? How much lower can this stock go? Right, I'm off for surf. Catch you all tonight, Andrew Grady. Look out for the Virgin Orbit song coming out later. Join the crypto Discord before you go, Andrew. We've got a special coming up later today for Ali Tizro as well. Right, we got 51 likes. We've got 51 likes. So here is our next impression. We said if we got 50 likes, we would do the voice of Pavarotti. So here is Pavarotti. Mil mi mistrai kosoi me Helamione som sapra No chulaba ka Quando splendara All'alba vincerò There you go. Pavarotti when we got 50 likes. There we go. Why Virgin Orbit is constantly going down. That's because the deal didn't go through. For those of you who don't know the full story behind Virgin Orbit, here is the video. There is the video. Watch it all the way through. It's 12 minutes long. You need to watch all of it and leave a comment, and I will answer everyone's question. All right. Here is the information on Virgin Orbit. Please watch to the end. Leave a comment. I will answer all comments. Thank you. And I'll put the link in as well. Okay, here we go.
버진 오빗에 대한 정보입니다. 끝까지 봐주세요. 코멘트를 남겨주세요. 나는 모든 의견에 답할 것입니다. 감사합니다. https://u2.be/obmctplktc0
ها هي المعلومات عن فيرجن أوربت. من فضلك شاهد حتى النهاية. اترك تعليقا. سأجيب على كل التعليقات. شكرا لك. https://youtube.be/obmctplktc0
Voici les informations sur Virgin Orbit. Veuillez regarder jusqu'à la fin. Laissez un commentaire. Je répondrai à tous les commentaires. Merci. https://youtube.be/obmctplktc0
Jason Fallon, I disagree. I disagree. It's effort and desire which gets it done. Project Freedom said, remember, presentation is everything. They are a company owned by Sir Richard Branson. I have done all this with no income whatsoever for the first year. That is not true. It didn't cost a fortune for me to build this studio. It just took desire, effort, and commitment. This studio, I believe, is the best live studio on YouTube and can present any company, Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic specifically, and did not cost me a fortune. And I did it on I had $5,000 in the bank, and I built up a YouTube channel which paid for all of this. I've done it all on my own with no funding, no backing, no support. It's just hard work. It's just lazy. It's just lazy and can't be bothered why their presentation was so bad. Yes, I have seen Bill's... I haven't had a chance to reply to Bill's comment yet. Are there any possibilities of a buyout or a support for Vorb, or is that the big question? There are. There are people still looking at it, and I'm holding my position. Anything could be done. If I can do it, just one little guy on YouTube, I'm sure that Virgin Orbit should be able to do it. It's just people that get lazy. I get so annoyed when people say, "Oh, it needs more money." It's ridiculous. You're paying people too much money to do to do things badly. Too much money is wasted. People want thousands of dollars. I have spoken to people. And asked them what they would charge me to do the things that I do myself for free. And let me tell you, I have had quotes from people to work in my studio to provide this level of production that I provide to you, right, for tens of thousands of dollars. I would never be on air. I'd be bankrupt in 5 seconds. I've got off my bum and done it myself. It's just lazy, overpriced rubbish. I was actually talking to someone the other day actually about this. With the amount of greed and exploitation. In England, my car insurance is what you pay in a year, is what you pay in America in 1 month. Insurance is off the scale because everybody sues everybody, right? Everything is so much more expensive in America. My dad used to build houses. And when I say build houses, he actually built the house with his hands. Okay? I have got lots of friends in America that say they are house builders. They're not house builders. They're rich people that pay somebody else to build the house. They've never lifted a brick in their life. And most of the houses in the area that I live in, all right, in Texas, the houses are extremely expensive and they are built rubbish. Honestly, they are built rubbish. They are built to fall over because most people in my area don't care if a house lasts 1,000 years like a castle of England. They don't care. They just want to buy it, sell it, flip it, throw it away. They're not bothered. Whereas the house I have in England, never going to fall over, made out of stone, never going anywhere, right? If you build it properly, it lasts forever. So much money is wasted. I have spoken to people, could you come and do a job at the house? And they want tens and tens of thousands of dollars to do a job badly. I had a guy come out. We had to have an air conditioning system, right? And he said to me, we're going to come out and we're going to replace the air conditioning. I went, all right. And he said, what we do is we get the compressor outside and we put it on foundations. Now, foundations, in my mind, what my dad used to do with foundations was he used to dig down, like 6 feet, put some steel, fill it with concrete, already build it on a good ground in the first place, find a good location. That's a foundation. That lasts forever. That's what castles of England are built on. This guy comes around. He takes away the old compressor that we've got outside. It's on a pile of mud. He drops down a slab, like a patio slab, and he puts the compressor on top. And I go, hang on a minute, what are you doing? He went, that's your foundation. I said, how is that a foundation? How is that a foundation? It's a flipping slab that you've just put on the ground. He said, that's a foundation. I said, no, it's not. That's a patio slab you've thrown on the ground. What the heck is that? And that's what they do. And they wanted like $10,000, $15,000 to do that. And that's the problem. No one is prepared to work hard for a fair price. Everyone wants something for nothing. Build rubbish quality and charge an arm and a leg for it. I don't know where I was going with that. I don't know how I got on that, but we were talking about quality and getting the job done. And that's the problem. Virgin Orbit didn't have me saying, I will do it for free. I will provide you the best service that you'd pay $100,000 for free. I would just do it, right? They've got people saying, all right, it's $10,000 to be the cameraman. It's $10,000 to run the microphone. I want $20,000 to do the lights. So they haven't got the money, right? There are so many people that just want money now without investing in themselves. Unbelievable. So everyone's greedy. Everybody wants something for nothing. Everybody wants it now rather than build something good. Anyway, that's just my opinion. Right, I've got a couple of comments here. George Semaine is the first person who's commented about the commercials. Frequent adverts, so annoying. I want to tell you that I am not pushing commercials. I want to tell you right now, 100%, I am not pushing commercials. There is a new setting on YouTube. There's a new setting on YouTube, and it does commercials automatically now. So I want to ask everybody, because this is what YouTube is doing, and they look at it to provide the opportunity for the creator to make money, at the same time the balance for the viewer to be good. We all know when we watch TV, there's a limit. There's a limit you go to that is good, so the creator, the TV station makes money, and also a limit that we can go to for the viewing public. Okay, so you all understand that. It's not me sending it out, it's what they're doing. I've been asking you the last couple of days what you think of this. So I want to do a poll right now. Let me do a poll. So it's not me, it's YouTube. So I'm going to ask you, are you okay with the ads that are being shown? I don't know how best to put it, really. You all expect there to be ads, but obviously if there's too many, you start switching off. So are you okay with the ads that are being shown? Do you understand it's a fair level? It's okay. What should I put? How do I do this? Are you okay with the ads that are being shown? That's it. If you pay for YouTube Premium, that's the benefit. If you pay for YouTube Premium, the creator still earns money without you seeing it. That's an option that you have, yeah. Are you okay with the ads that are being okay? No. Okay, I'm going to put, are you okay with the ads being shown? Okay or no? No one loves ads, but you understand you have to have some, right? Are you okay with the ads that are being shown? Let me just run that a minute. See what you say to that. I want to address George Samain. That's why I lost my business, because of the national home builders rubbish. It's right. I built my houses with pride. There you go. Nice one, Mike. Baba has bottomed. Next year, I am building my house. Next year, I'm going to be hands-on as I can be. Not looking forward to the builders I'm going to work with. Indeed. That's... hang on. That's... You can have just went to Home Depot to get a $20 slab. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's unbelievable, isn't it? I think it was like $15,000, and all I got was a flipping slab on the ground. Rubbish. Virgin Galactic. Oh. Virgin Orbit. Somebody's ringing the bell. Do me a favor. Open the door. Somebody's ringing the bell. Do me a favor. Open the door and let them in. Ah, I know that song. Brother John, Martyn Lucas, Phil and Don, Nasty Investor, Auntie Jen, open the door, let them in. That's a great song. I love that. I like that one. Nasty Investor, I like it. Testing 29, I get YouTube Premium, can't live without it. There you go. I pay for YouTube Premium as well. Adverts just come in unexpected, cutting you mid-sentence. That's the annoyance. They don't always run. It's just they come in expected, cutting you in mid-sentence. That's the annoyance. They don't always run. Okay. But George, you don't miss anything. It'll just carry on from where you left off. So you don't miss anything. My stepdad has made his backyard. He has made a fence. He made a pool, a pond. He made benches for the front and back. He has seen everything with himself, with a bit of help from me. Real Ray, YouTube will replace television, so we need to get used to commercials. Unless we consider YouTube Premium to be the TV license. Indeed. Okay. Mullen. Still dropping now. Is anyone buying Mullen anymore? The S&P, Virgin Galactic 396, Virgin Orbit 38 cents. Oh, Virgin Orbit now. Unbelievable. 38 cents. I'm holding my position. I'm not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. So 65% of you are okay. There we go. I mean, that's a good result. That's a good result. You wouldn't expect anyone to say, oh yeah, we love the adverts, we love the commercials. No, people don't love the commercials, but they understand that the creator needs to earn a living. And this is how YouTube are doing it. So they want the best experience for you. They don't want you to switch off, but they also want me to earn some money. So they're trying to find a balance. So I'm running this system at the moment to see. And I'm glad. I think that result is good. I think that result is good. Not a single person is in profit with Vorb at the moment. No all-time lows. No. I could have made $1,000 and bought back now, but I didn't because I said I wouldn't. Well, now things are different. We've gone past that pump on that news. So now if I want to sell, I will sell. However, I will tell you I'm going to sell because even though now I'm saying to you, I am going to free myself up to allowing myself to sell. I'm officially saying that. I will always tell you what I'm doing as I do it. I won't surprise anyone. This is not a pump and dump channel. Never will be, never has been, and so on. If you'd like to become a member of our channel, by the way, here's the invitation to join.
버진 오빗에 대한 정보입니다. 끝까지 봐주세요. 코멘트를 남겨주세요. 나는 모든 의견에 답할 것입니다. 감사합니다. https://u2.be/obmctplktc0
Inviting everyone to become a member. I invite you to become a member for exclusive perks and benefits.
I invite you to become a member for exclusive perks and benefits. Thank you. Invite to join https://www.
That's in English. Okay, this is what I meant to send.
당신을 회원으로 초대합니다. 독점, 특전 및 혜택. 가입 초대 감사합니다. https://www.youtube.com/chanelYelPXQONFVRXI3JEXDSA/JOIN
If the launch had been successful, do you think we would be here now? No. If the launch had been successful, we had been fine because they could have moved on to the next paying customers. We'd have been absolutely fine. But the presentation is what destroyed the stock. It made it look like the company's broke, bust, waste of time, and that's why everyone gave up. If I barely had the confidence in Vorb, surely we would stick his hand in his pocket and buy up this cheap. If old Beardy, you're on about Sir Richard Branson. Remember, Richard Branson has a discount anyway. So Richard Branson has preferred stock. We have common stock. He gets protected anyway. It's a very different prospect. It's not like Richard Branson's looking at Robinhood today and going, oh, I can buy it for 39 cents. He's probably got it for 1 cent a share anyway. It's a completely different ball game for him. I wish I knew how to read charts. I know you can, Martin, but don't agree with them. I think many are fearful of Vorb decline. Indeed they are. Indeed they are. I'm just holding my position. I'm not going to keep buying it. There's no point. It doesn't matter. If you think that, if you're buying a stock because you think it's going to 20, 30 bucks, does it matter if you bought it at 39 cents or 40 cents? No, of course not. But you shouldn't chase it down to the bottom either, because if it does go bust, you don't want to throw more money at it. I've invested enough money in it and I'm holding it, and that's it. And that's it. That's where I am. And that's the right thing to do, in my opinion. Right, have we got anything in the breakfast bar this morning? Let me go over to the breakfast bar. And yes, we have. I'm very disappointed this morning. Very disappointed. We're trying to get a public channel on our Discord, and we need to get some more engagement. I've asked all the members, come on into the breakfast lounge, and we have Brit, Mark, and Mike. That's rubbish. What's going on there? Rocket Man yesterday. This is Stephen Lewandowski playing my Rocket Man videos. Thank you so much indeed. But Brick Mark, thank you to you. I'm going to give you the official day trader seal of approval. Because there is one, you know. Oh, yeah, there is one. And there's a thumbs up. There's this one as well. That. Okay. And also Mike. There we go. There we go. Thank you, Mike. Hello, everyone. Thank you. The rest of you, rubbish. Well, could we potentially see the VORB? When could we potentially see the VORB news? Well, I did give a video of where we're at with the Virgin Orbit special video. And this is it right now. This is a clip. I did it off air. I was in my off-close broadcast, and if you want to see the Virgin Orbit information, there is the now I'm going to explain something first of all. There's the Virgin Orbit video if you want to go and watch that, and I will also reply to everyone's comments. Look, we have to understand the overall markets today are going down. I'm not concerned. I don't think my portfolio is going to find a new bottom. I'm okay with it. But we have got solid companies that make profits, that are profitable, that hold cash, go down today. We're getting sell off. We are still in a bear market. Let's be absolutely clear about that. 100% bear market now for a year and a half. Okay, we are approaching a recession, which will be the market's bottom, even though my portfolio, I believe, has potentially bottomed already. Let's see if I'm right. Now, my portfolio, this one here, is full of defensive companies. Coca-Cola, the S&P 500, Johnson & Johnson is 44% of my portfolio. Sorry, the S&P is 44% of my portfolio. J&J is 44% of my Roth IRA. And it's going down. So when you've got a market like this, which we have at the moment, right? Remember, if great companies with history, profits, and everything else are losing money, okay, if they're losing money, then and they're going down, we are bound to have high-risk stocks like Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit go down. Remember, the high-risk stocks will sell off first, but they will also rally first. So it's just a good balance of your portfolio. It makes absolute sense that we're going to get high-risk stocks, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, sell out right now when the markets are going down. But they are the ones that will come back. Remember, when people sell these stocks, right, they are looking to buy in on things like J&J, Coca-Cola, because they're on discount right now. They're buying in, and that's what happens, and that's just how the market works. So I'm still keeping my positions. I'm not selling. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm not adding any more money either. So there we go. Here's your problem. Everybody wants to be, everyone wants to be a. Not sure what that means. They would. Be a pimp out of work and get paid for nobody gets against. Sorry, Project Freedom. I don't understand that comment. I'm sorry. Could you repeat it, please? Did you ever see the interview with Elon about why he lied, saying he was basically blackmailed, that I sent on Discord? Ah, that would be interesting. Real Ray, did you send that by a message? Where did you send that to? I'd like to read that. Why he lied. I would love to read that. That would be a very interesting read for me. Where did you send that? Real Ray, I can't see it. Tell me where you sent that. I will definitely check that out. Depression, in my opinion, Ed Nevius, could well be there. And an investor, it's awful for the economy, but remember the economy is 6 months behind the markets. The markets are 6 months ahead, projecting where they see the economy going. Unless we change the meaning again. Oh, hello, what's happened there? What did I do then? No idea what happened there. My gosh, we're getting everything now. Look, we're 9 cents. I mean, has anyone seen a stock go lower than this? This is the lowest stock price I've ever seen. 9 cents. I mean, you can buy the whole company now for 23 quid. Let's have a look. What's the company worth now? 155 million. Market cap, 155 million. There you go. You can buy the whole company, everything, for 155 million. I'm going to buy it. In a message. Okay, Real Ray, I'll go and check. Real Ray. There we go. I've got a comment there. I'll leave that open. I didn't reply to you. I missed that. I'm just reading your comments there. I will come back to that. Looks like a crypto. It does, doesn't it? 9 cents. 9 cents. Unbelievable. It's like Shiba Inu. Ban adverts. We want Martyn Lucas Investor 100%. Ban the adverts. Well, unfortunately, Julian, you're not a member, so I don't get. I earn nothing from you watching. If I turn off the ads, then I would have no income at all. I would be paying you to provide the service because this is my full-time job. I have electricity. I have internet. I don't do other jobs where I could earn money to provide this service. I'm here 10 hours a day answering everyone's questions. If I had no ad revenue and no memberships and I was still running the studio, I would be paying you to watch me. I can't have no income. You have an income. I need an income. And I live on about $5-6. It's about $6 today now, actually, with all the super chats I've been getting. But I can't have no income whatsoever. I mean, I can't have any less than I've got now. I mean, my wife will be paying for me to sit here. I mean, I'll start invoicing my wife. Start saying, "Hey, Leo, you got to pay me $10 a day to sit here." Yeah, she'd love that. I've seen OTC stocks over the counter. You've seen over the counter stocks, yeah, but not the main, not the publicly traded stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, though. Yeah, it was. Elon was pressured by the SEC in interviews, was in tears. I think I may have seen that interview, but that's not why he sold the recent stocks, I don't think. But anyway, I will check that out. I just bought Mullen. 31st of March is a key date, right? 31st of March. Let me have a look. 31st of March is May 15th is their next earnings. That'll be interesting. What's the special about the 31st of March, George? I like the idea of you paying me to watch. Yeah. Roll up. Anybody wants to watch my channel, just let me know and I'll send you $10 a week. I never understood the hate you gave Elon. Time to forgive and buy Tesla for a good value price. Well, if I watch that video first, I have the information that he lied 3 times about buying the stock, about selling his stock, and he wouldn't. I mean, I'm just going on the facts. I refuse to be a Tesla fanboy or anything else for that matter. I want the facts, the truth, and that's it. If I was wrong and the information was incorrect, I will correct myself and apologize. But I'm still not buying the stock at $180 a share. It's too expensive. And that's a fact. Look, 52 times earnings. It's expensive. However, I'll buy it if it goes lower. I've already got a few in my Roth IRA I'm holding, but anyway. Virgin Orbit, 39 cents. Virgin Galactic still going down. Mullen committed to delivering vans to customers by March 31st. Well, that's in 2 days, right? 8 cents a share. Oh, I mean, I don't understand now who's selling. I mean, what is the point? Who is selling at 8 cents a share? Why would you sell at 8 cents a share? It makes no sense to me at all. Anyway, 39 votes. Are you okay with the ads that are being shown? 54% get it. Okay, let me end that poll. Let me ask you another question. How often are you seeing ads? Every 5 minutes? Every 10 minutes? How often are you seeing ads? Every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes. That'll do. Okay. How often are you seeing ads? Every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes. Okay, I want to ask you. The customer is a dealer, not actual customers. The customer is a dealer, not actual customers. Stu Walk is in the house. We've missed Stu Walk. It's been ages. Everybody asks about you. Here he is. Here is Stu Walk. We've not heard of Stu Walk for the longest time. Here he is. Here's Stu Walk.
Hello, Martyn Lucas, day trading. Great show. Great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going. Keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
Hang on. Let me end the poll. I'm going to do it again. Ali made a very good point. Thank you for that. Start a poll. How often are you seeing ads? Okay, here we go. Every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or never. Okay, how often are you seeing ads? Every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or never? And that's in today's stream. How often are you seeing ads today? Today, because I've changed the settings last couple of days. All right. How often are you seeing ads today? How often are you seeing ads today? Every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or never? On the live, on your live, yes, on the lives during today's show. The S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic 393. Virgin Orbit 39 cents. Rivian, I think it's like every 30 minutes for adverts. But your experience, not what you think it should be or what you've read on YouTube, nothing like that. What's your experience? Amazon's trying to pick back up again. Okay. So 9% of you are saying, well, let's wait for everyone to vote. Let me... We are running a poll. Thank you.
오늘 얼마나 자주 광고를 보십니까? 폴을 진행하고 있습니다. 감사합니다.
We're now down 0.86, trying to come back again. Virgin Galactic 394. Virgin Orbit. If it helps to support your channel, I can watch a few ads. No, do whatever's best for you. Don't do what's best for me. It's nothing. Of course, it helps to watch my ads, but I don't want you sat behind watching ads. That's not fun for you. Do what's best for you. What's best for you is best for me. Sitting watching ads all day, it's great. To be honest, it is good for me, but that's not much of an experience for you, is it? So ultimately, you won't enjoy yourself. Thank you, Stephen. So we've got so far 44% of you are saying, nearly half of you are saying 15 minutes. So actually 40, 50, 60, 70, 80% of you are saying that it's 15 minutes or never. So that's good. I'm happy with that. Only a few of you, only 12% are saying every 5 minutes. And only 6% are saying every 10 minutes. That's interesting. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, 0.84, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. We've got lots of buy orders in place. Should we have a big crash? This isn't a big crash yet. OSCR added to watch. Ed Nevius for scalp trade. Ed Nevis has added OSCR. Google. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco. Next Era Energy. Phase Energy, 14% down now. Ooh. Let's have a look at that. 192, 193, 184. Phase Energy, not a bad time. I'm looking at Phase Energy for a buy. We are looking at... Is it in my Roth? Yeah, it is. Oh, I'm still out. I bought it at 182. Okay. It's not as low as I thought. I bought it at 182. Okay, hold my money. Hold my money. Bitcoin is down today very slightly. Tilray down 9%. Robinhood. It's not low enough yet. I've set buy orders for everything, so I'm perfectly happy. I am thinking of launching my own healthy fruit snack. Do I have to get another platinum membership so you can promote? You don't mean platinum, do you? You mean sponsorship. You mean sponsorship. I could create a membership which includes 2 businesses, so you get a discount. I'd be happy to do that. If you had a business and you had a channel or a website that I could run, then yes, what I would do for you would be to create a discount, so you'd have like 1.5 times the price. So rather than having another sponsorship membership, you'd have there would be a sponsorship. I would create a membership that was 2 memberships, so it'd be basically a discount. So that's how I would do it, because that would be good for you, right? Essentially, you'd get a discount then off both. That would make it cheaper for you. That's how I would do that. The S&P down 3.45. Virgin Orbit has anyone noticed? I won't do a poll on this, but has anyone noticed that the fan noise, the high frequency, that sort of noise, is less the last couple of days? Has anyone noticed that at all? Tony Betts, yeah, we've been following Mullen all morning. Porth Leather, windy today, but I think I found the bit that fell off the Vorb rocket. Brilliant. I love it. Tony Betts has just said Mullen has just dropped off. I think we're going to come to the end of our show right now. We'll do Day Trader of the Day. We've got the Virgin Orbit song coming out today. We're going to have a lot of fun with that. And we've hit a new record on our channel. I'm going to share with you. We are now at 7,037 subscribers. Yep. Is that yes? It has. The background noise has gone down a little bit. You're saying the background noise has gone down a little bit. Less fan noise. Is that what you're saying, Mike? Can anybody else tell me? Do they feel that the background noise, has gone down a little bit? It's quieter. I want to know everyone's experiences of that. Can't hear any fan now in the background. You can't hear any fan. Brilliant. Okay. That is the idea. I never hear any fan noise. I'm using my phone with earbuds. Well, that's great because you're getting a really good sound then. OSC broke out scalp. There we go. That's from Ed Nevius. Good morning, investors. T.O. Roll. Good morning to you. Yes, they have been quiet. Good. Okay. So what I've done, I've decreased the volume of my microphone, and I've also taken off the high frequency a little bit. I've trimmed back the high frequency because the high frequency pushes that sort of sound. So I've EQ'd it so there's less high frequency, but still keeping it clear without promoting that frequency. And soon I'm going to put it through a compressor as well, improve it again. All right, I want it to be always improving for your service. All right, we're going to end the poll there right now. So 82% get it every 15 minutes or never see it. Well, I'm very happy with that. Which is interesting that 82% only get a commercial break every 15 minutes, which is way less than the TV. 40, half of you don't see it at all, but yet I only got about 40% of you said the ads is too much. That's interesting. So that shows you that nobody wants ads, which makes sense. But in reality, you're getting a much better service with me than any other YouTuber. They do way more than that. The TV does way more than that. So I still think that I'm giving the best service, and at the end of the day, trying to earn something from my shows. So that's a good result. That's a good result. So I'm going to end the poll. Thank you very much for taking part in that. What's Bill's comment on the video? Let me go and have a look. Bill's comment was, let me just read it. Fiancés have given me a heavy heart. I left my subscription and membership. Oh. I've left my subscription. This is a bit odd from Bill. He says, finances. Finances, not fiancés. Oh, sorry. He says, let me just share it on the screen because it's a public comment. I can read it out. Finances have given me a heavy heart. I have left my subscription. I don't know why. That's free. Subscription is free. Why would he unsubscribe? It's a free thing. And membership. I'm 23,000 in debt and watching new members buying 500,000 shares of something. Big thinking 10% of what they bought would get me out of a 40-year in the red. It's been fun. So basically what he's saying, he doesn't want to watch anymore because he's got debt and he sees others buy stocks. I think that's a shame. That's his feelings. I understand that. But subscription is free. And I don't know why he doesn't want to watch because others are making money. It doesn't really make sense. I understand he's feeling like I've got no money and others have got money. But you won't get any money unless you stay involved. You don't have to invest. You don't have to be a member. It's free. You can watch for free. There's why unsubscribe? But obviously for him, he feels it's too difficult to watch others make money. But I don't know if anyone's really making any money at the moment, to be perfectly honest. Oh well, that's a shame. Bill has been with the show since day one. He's been here since the very first day. He's our oldest member. No, he's not watching. I've just checked. He's not in the stream. He's not watching. It's a great shame. But there you go. That's how he feels. He feels he's got debt, and it's making him feel upset. Anyway. Sad to hear, Bill. I hope you come back soon and finances get better. Ed Nevius, thank you for the tip. Edric B. Don't go, Bill, says Andrew Grady. We love you, man. Yeah, Bill, I've lost what he's in debt. I've lost more than that. I'm down 41,000. You know, at the end of the day, it makes no sense to... Well, of course it makes sense. Everyone's entitled to their feeling. Don't buy the top again, says Saber Pulse. I mean, there you go. I understand and I'm sympathetic to everyone. Everyone's feelings are their own. Whether you agree with them or not, it makes no sense to you. That's how he feels. I do think Bill will come back, though. He said a similar thing several times. He unsubscribed from the newsletter. I don't know why, but anyway. Don't judge yourself by what others do. Also remember that people can elaborate and bend the truth to make themselves look better than they are, especially on the internet and YouTube. Not you, Martin. I appreciate that. There are people here in our chat, I'm sure, that say they're buying stocks, they're not. I'm sure it happens. I don't think it happens from any of our members. It's very easy for someone to say, oh, I'm doing great. I've made loads of money. What they don't say is how much money they lost yesterday. I'm sure there's lots of people who do that. Go all in on space, Bill. When the flights happen, you can pay off your debt. There you go. You're welcome, Eric, says Ed Nevius. Maybe he means others are carelessly gambling with amounts he is struggling to save to pay off a debt. I understand that. Yeah, totally. I mean... But you can't look at others and be jealous. I can't sit here and go, what Richard Branson spends on some day out for his family is what I live on for a year. That's somebody else's life. You can't compare your life to somebody else, and you should never do that. You should live your own life for yourself and never... I mean, maybe it's difficult to think like that, but I think it's important you need to do that. It's because you never paid his winnings on PayPal. I sent him that money. He never claimed it. It was $10. He never claimed it. Everyone has a different situation. They do. Very good point. Not to be mean, but he seems out of it after the time to me. Probably medicating pain. I'm sure he'll be back. That's a comment from 22. I'm just reading out people's comments here. Virgin Orbit, 39 cents now. Made money, but lost lots of money too. Yeah, as we all have. I mean, let's get one thing straight, guys. I want to be absolutely clear, right? You know what I earn. This is my entire job. My gigs have been cancelled again. I've got no income. My income is YouTube. What you pay me in super chats, memberships, that's it. Which is about now $6 a day over the month, right? That's what I live on. And I have just lost, what now? We're down, well, my Virgin Orbit is down $290 and I was up 1,000. So effectively, I'm down $1,300. That's like flipping... I don't know, 6 months bloody wages, right? You know, I know what it feels like to lose money. You know, lost it all. You know the story. You've seen the video. Anyway, sounds good. Hopefully, we'll be up and running by the end of 2024. I will send you to try. It's 100% real leather. Hang on, sounds good. Hopefully we'll be up and running by the end of 2024. I will send you it to try. It's 100% real fruit leather from an orchard I bought after last bull run. That sounds interesting. Ali Tizro, sounds good. Hopefully we'll be up and running by end of 2024. We'll send you it to try. It's 100% real fruit leather. Real fruit leather from an orchard I bought. I've never heard of a fruit leather. Anyone heard of a fruit leather? That's interesting. This is the plan. I am shorting ETH till space is $3, then buying it up. There you go. Ed, we all trade different, but even if you don't have much, you can practice with small size. I agree. If you've got no money at all, you can come in today. Let's be absolutely clear. Hang on a minute. Why is that up there? No one told me that Virgin Orbit's just moved. Why is the screen like that? Hang on. That's better. Yeah. Bill can come in, anyone can come in and go, right, I am buying 1 share of Virgin Orbit. You can do that. You can go in and buy 1 share of Virgin Orbit on Robinhood for 38 cents. 38 cents. You can buy 1 share. Anyone can. Anyone can. And look at it as a lottery ticket. That's a flipping good idea. Imagine Virgin Orbit in the future goes to $20 a share. It gets rescued in 10 years from now. It's $20 a share. And you bought it for 37 cents. Buy one. Buy 1 share of Virgin Orbit. Anyone can afford 37 cents. So maybe just buy 10. 100. $37. Buy 100 shares of Virgin Orbit for $37. Put it in your Roth. Forget about it. Look at it as a lottery ticket. I tell you what, you've got more chance with making money on that than you have a lottery ticket. If you buy 100 shares of Virgin Orbit for $37, you have more chance of making good money than you have buying a lottery ticket. So you don't have to go, well, I've got to buy $1,000 of Virgin Orbit. Look at it like a lottery ticket. Buy 100 shares for $37. That's it. Makes sense. $137. That's like buying half a dozen lottery tickets, right? Type it in Google. It's like dehydrated fruit sheets. Send me the information, Ali. We should all trade up from $1 and keep a log of trades. See who earns the most in a week. Well, we could do that on Discord. We could have a channel on Discord for that. Absolutely. Let's all be brutally honest. Don't trade if you don't have a clue what you're doing. The worst thing you can do is copy someone else. If you do, expect to lose money, and you wouldn't drive a car if you didn't know how to. Absolutely spot on. Ali Isles, spot on. Apple and plum, apple and pear. Oh, sounds nice. Sounds good, doesn't it? Agree. Hence why I've just bought 500 million. There you go. Excellent. Absolutely. Look at it like a lottery ticket. Look, 9 cents. Buy it, put it in your Roth IRA, forget all about it, and leave it like that. Don't buy hundreds of dollars, 5 million shares, or anything like that. Some people do that. They see it. Some people forget that you can actually, sell some of your stocks and buy some shares. And most people are still locked in with the idea you've got to go all in. You've got to sell everything or buy 1 million shares. Buy, 100 shares. $9, 100 shares. I copy the amazing Mr. Kahine, though. He's like a god. George Semaine. Yeah, when Mohammed Kahine comes in and goes, I'm buying 100,000 shares of Virgin Orbit. That's it. Buy 100,000 shares. Now, see, you can do that, of course, if you're a very wealthy person. And you can absolutely, but I'm not. And I can't do that. And I wouldn't even want to. I actually enjoy making small amounts of profit. it seems to fit my lifestyle. It fits my personality. I don't get overwhelmed with, oh my God, I got $1 million. What do I do? I am thrilled to bits. Yesterday, we had the angry investor. Was it angry investor? Who came in? Who gave me $100 super chat, 250s. It's like fantastic. I was thrilled to bits. Me and Leah went out and had a lovely meal. We were thrilled to flipping bits. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. People get carried away and think they have to buy loads of shares. It's only 37 cents. I'm going to buy 1 million shares. You don't have to do that. You can buy 10. You're more flexible because you don't pay fees. Yes, Robinhood is coming to all of you in the UK later on this year. You're all going to use my referral. You're going to get free stocks. I'm going to get free stocks. Everyone's a winner. All right? Yeah. I want to share my screen for the show in 45 minutes, but my audio on laptop doesn't work. Need to figure out how to call in with audio separately with my phone. I want to share my screen for the show, but my audio on laptop doesn't work. Nasty investor, that's it. Nasty investor, sorry. Angry investor. Anyway. So Ali, are you able to talk to me then? I don't really know what we're doing. We haven't officially set this up yet. Let's arrange it. Let's arrange it perhaps for tomorrow. Me and you, let's have a conversation on Discord and let's discuss what we're going to do ahead of time, and let's perhaps plan it for tomorrow then. If you've got an issue, if you're out and you haven't got audio, let's not rush it. Let's do it right. My 10-4 buddy from Ohio. There you go. Virgin Orbit. Right. Things are coming up now. Virgin Galactic, S&P, Tesla. Had a nice little drop today. Still down 5% on the week. Still down 6% on the month. It's up over 3 months though. But over the year, we're still down 46%. Just for something to be mindful of, said Ed Nevis. I just post a possible play based on what I see on charts and volume, only for people to see their own plays. Just for something to be mindful of. Thank you, Ed, for that sending that information in. All right, let's do day trader of the day. I think I will find a mic or used headphones. I have cleared my day now after your suggestion. Oh, so you want to do it? I can do it today. You want to do it in an hour's time? Is that what you're saying? You want to do it in an hour's time? Okay. All right. So we'll do it and we'll come back in an hour. For a crypto special. So we'll be back here in an hour then for Ali Tizro. We'll do a crypto special. So I'm going to end the show. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's do that right now. So we're going to do day trader of the day, end the show. We got to 2,800 watch hours today. We're gaining 100 hours a day. Absolutely great. So that then suggests we could be at 2009, so got 1,000 to 10 days. 10 days we could do it. And if more people ramp up, let's do it. So go to my music channel. You've got an hour now in between. You can do it while we're doing these shows as well. Open other tabs. So we're going to end the show now, day trader of the day. Go to my music channel. Pick a playlist, anyone you like. Go play all, just like that. And either right-click the video like that, loop. See how you can do that? Or if it's a playlist, which is what's easier, mute it. You haven't got it to run. Click the loop. There it is, look. There's the loop. Click the loop button like that. And now it's looped. And now it will play around. And hopefully we can be at 4,000 watch hours within 10 days. That would be great. Okay. Yes, 1 hour is good. Would love to do it today. Yes, 1 hour is good. No commercials yet. Last one, 10:38. Brilliant. Okay, day trader of the day. Go to your position now. I am down 0.76%. Let's put a minute on the clock. Buying any more VORB? Not at the moment. No, I haven't got any more money. I can't afford just to buy any more. Just going to leave it. I got enough. I don't know, though. If I buy some more, it allows me to trim off more. I'm just thinking. No. I'm down. I'm undecided right now. I'm undecided. Okay, here we go. Down 0.76. Let's put a minute on the clock. Congrats on the 7,000 subs. Yeah, thank you very much indeed. Yeah, and it's gone through 7,000 subs very, very quickly. 7,039. I mean, it's like really quick, isn't it? Down 0.67. Down 0.44. Willing to hold it at 80, but not buy at 38. Let me read this a minute. Let me end the clock a minute. Willing to hold it at 80, but not buy it at 38. This way you can sell it at 67, maybe buy it at 30. Hang on. Willing to hold it at 80, but not buy at 38. This way you can sell at 67, maybe buy it 30. Commercial just happened every 30 minutes. Ah, thank you, Stephen. Down 1.44. Okay. Okay. So the winner today is, we're all down, but it looks like the winner is Eric. He's down 0.44. That, I think, no, hang on, down 0.4476. Yep, I think Eric's the winner, being down the least. So, congratulations, Eric. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up, and there's the sound effects. There you go. All right. Let's roll the credits. Let's set up a crypto show, and we'll be back with Ali Tizro shortly in about an hour's time for that. So hopefully you'll all join us back here in an hour for a crypto special. Ali's going to phone in, and we're going to do a special. So that'll be good. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here, and we'll set up that show. Stars of the show. Any followers? Smart32, subscriptions, Crazy to the Future, and a friend from Korea. Thank you. New members, Attorney Scott Miller and Jason Fallon. Attorney Scott Miller, I can upgrade you if you come on into the chat. Don't rush to buy. At point 3 will get a really tempting to buy. I was down more, but Ed's tips saved me. Great. I'm glad about that. Don't rush a buy. Okay. All right, there we go. See you all back in a bit. Thank you very much for being here. I'm going to set up a special crypto event for an hour's time, and we'll see you back for that. The closing bell this afternoon. Thank you ever so much, everyone. We got. Don't forget to watch the music while you're gone. Let's get to 4,000 hours really quickly. Today we've had 349 through the stream. The Virgin Orbit Collapse special has now got to 879 views. It was just 14 hours ago when I released that. It's my fastest growing video on the channel. So that is absolutely awesome. Let me see if it's still ranking number 1. Yes, it is. Look, still ranking number 1. See the fireworks? I'll do that again. Look, YouTube are playing fireworks when you get a ranking video. Look at that, number 1. Absolutely brilliant. So there you go, 879. Really great click-through rate as well. So that's really good. Thanks to all of you that have watched that, left a comment. Really appreciate it. But that's it from me. I'll see you back later on for a crypto special. Hopefully you'll join us. And as always, take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. And each other. Bye-bye for now.